Hey class, I'm here today with our final read aloud for the year. This book is called Miss Bindergarten Celebrates the Last Day of Kindergarten, which we are very, very close to our last day of kindergarten, which it looks a little bit different this year because we're all going to be at home. But I still want to let you know that I really enjoyed being your teacher this year and that I miss you very much, that I hope that maybe our paths will cross over the summer and that you can come and say hi to me and that we will get to see each other next year. So, Miss Bindergarten Celebrates the Last Day of Kindergarten, and it's written by Joseph Slate and it's illustrated by Ashley Wolf. Here's Miss Bindergarten getting ready. It's the last day of kindergarten, and oh. Adam brings carnations. Christopher says, "It's for Miss B, a goodbye balloon." Brenda has perfume. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Danny scrubs a table. Emily hands back rocks. Franny clears her bin and shouts, "Oh no, 3 smelly socks." And I kind of had to do that all on my own this year. Usually the class helps. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Look, she turns everybody's things back, kind of like I did, and I put them in your packet. Gwen collects the building blocks. Henry packs them away. Ian hides beneath a desk. I really want to stay. And some of you are probably feeling that way, that you might want to stay with Mrs. Stokes in kindergarten. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Look, she's getting everything picked up and cleaned up, kind of like I've done in our class. Jessie shows off her bathing suit. Lenny says, "That's because you've grown." Oh, Kiki says, "Mine pinches." Lenny says, "That's because you've grown a whole 2 inches. So they're getting ready for field day. And this year you're going to be doing your field day online. Even I have a really cool video for you. Maddie sets up a sprinkler. Noah connects the hose. Ophelia tries to take a drink and gets squirted in the nose. And where you're home, you might play in the water. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Patricia passes pizza. Raffy's pepperoni slices balance on his knees. Quentin says, "Cheese, please." Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Look, they're doing some paintings on bags. And we painted and decorated our hats. Right? Sarah signs a memory book. Tommy prints good luck. Ursula tells about their trip to see a fire truck. And you can think about our field trip that we went on to snowshoeing. That was so much fun. Vicky hands out prizes. Wanda shouts, "Tremendous." Xavier gets a ribbon for perfect class attendance. And you will be getting some awards in the mail. So watch for those. Miss Bindergarten celebrates the last day of kindergarten. Yolanda yells, "We love you!" Zach gives a cheer. "Goodbye, kindergarten," says Miss B. It's been a special year. And it has been a very special year. Even though it's ending a little bit different than what we thought it would be ending. Here's a little gift for you, a penny and a kiss. The penny for success to come, and the kiss that you'll be missed. And you are missed. I miss you very much. Miss Bindergarten says goodbye to kindergarten. And look, her class is all cleaned up and she's walking out the door. I did that just the other day. I cleaned up our class and I walked out the door and I thought of all of you and how much I miss you and how much I enjoyed being your teacher. And I just want to wish you luck next year. Some of you are actually going to be in our same school. We'll get to see each other. Some of you are moving on. Some of you school look a little bit different than maybe your classmates next year. And so I just want to let you know that I really enjoyed being your teacher, and that I hope that our paths cross again, and that you know how much I care for you, and how thankful I am that I got to get to know you, and how proud I am of all the growth that you've made this year. And I wish you good luck this summer and good luck next year.